Good afternoon, it's me, your realtor Renee. I'm out here at this fabulous golf club. David, is this a fabulous day or what?
Just perfect.
So we're out here at the Bayou Club in Seminole, Largo.
I gotta stop. As soon as she's done.
He's dying.
Live.
Good afternoon, it's me, your realtor Renee. We are out here this afternoon at this fabulous golf club at the Bayou Club here in Seminole, Florida. What a gorgeous day. So I'm out here today with David Snyder of David Mitchell Snyder CPA, and it's interesting because this past week I ran into a client slash friend who was needing some assistance for a CPA, and it was kind of a complicated deal, and it just so happens that I know David, and David and I are in a networking group together, and I was able to connect the two of them. But beyond that interest is the type of complicated income tax things that David does beyond your standard everyday income tax types things. So I wanted to kind of bring that out and put that out there for you so that you could see just kind of the way that he can help you in your business, both personally and professionally. So, David, the form that we were talking about is a 1041 form. So, what is it?
Well, that's a good question, Renee. The Form 1041 is a fiduciary income tax return, and it's used for both trust and estates. So, if your trust has income and it needs to be taxed or has to be taxed, the Form 1041 is the form to file. If you have an estate that you're settling each year that it has income, you'll need to file the 1041 also for it.
So that's critical to know, and so often people get confused as to what do I do and when do I do it, and that's why you need a professional such as David. So why is a 1041 filed? Why?
Well, these are both fiduciary type situations where you have either an estate or trust that is accruing income, and the IRS wants to get a piece of that.
Of course they do.
They want to get tax it, and so you'll need to get a federal ID number for both, either the estate or the trust, and then you'll have to file the return. But it also is a good way of helping transfer assets and to see who gets what. So there is other purposes for it, and the 1041 kind of manages that from a tax aspect.
Did you know that? Did you know that? I didn't know that. So when does it have to be filed?
Well, generally it's filed the 15th of the month following the third month. So usually that would be April 15th of calendar year. And most trusts these days are calendar year, but estates can have fiscal years. They can be basically, they have a lot of flexibility. And that's where you want a tax pro to help you decide what is the best year in for your trust or estate.
That's a lot to know. That's a lot to keep track of. Don't you do it. How do they reach you, David?
Well, they can reach me through telephone, which is 727-310-8106. Or email, which is david@dmsnyder.com. And of course, we're also physically located at 5247 Park Street North, St. Pete.
Don't keep track of your stuff. Let David do it. I'm your realtor, Renee, and I want to be a resource for you for anything that you need that is related to buying a property, selling a property, or protecting your property and yourself. I'm your realtor, Renee, 727-254-9079. And huge shout out to Mindy with Movement Mortgage, who is our videographer today. Have a great day.